So I'm from East Africa, a place called Tanzania, and we came to America in 2004. Everybody here is just amazing because everybody's just really friendly and helpful. And coming from a refugee camp, not knowing any language that's been spoken here, it took a lot of work. I had some very good managers that took a lot of time to help me, push me to get to where I am right now. It just really helped a lot for me to be able to help some of my family that are left in Africa as well. So this is all thanks to the Broadmoor that has given me this opportunity to share this with my family back home, even if they're not here, but they can still feel the blessing that I've gotten to be able to work here and help them out back home. I just love what I do, and every day it was a challenge at first when you get to learn, you start learning stuff, but then in just a couple months with incredible, amazing team that I have, they just make you feel so comfortable and teaching you, and everything just go really smooth. And when things are working, why breaking it?